Here's how you can create a faceless YouTube channel using AI. These channels have the potential to generate a substantial income, and the best part is, there's no need to reveal your face. Start by visiting cohesive.so and sign up for free, link in the description. Next, scroll down and locate the script for a YouTube video. Enter the topic you want your YouTube video to be about. For instance, I'll be demonstrating how to make pizza. The platform will then craft a complete YouTube video script on the chosen topic, ensuring it's SEO optimized. Additionally, it provides title suggestions and a description to enhance your video's chances of going viral. The tool will also generate an AI voiceover that you can export. For more customization, click More to generate stock footage for your YouTube video. Simply type in your preferences and let the magic happen. Explore Pixels for additional stock footage options. Then use CapCut to seamlessly integrate your stock footage and voiceover. To enhance accessibility, add captions using the Captions and Auto Captions features. Now you're all set, and the final product should look something like this.
Here we go, pizza lovers. Get ready to set your kitchen skills on fire as we unfold the magic of perfect pizza making. In a quick 2-minute long cook-off, we're bringing the irresistible aroma of a hot, cheesy pizza right at your home. No more waiting, it's pizza time, folks.